In this video for the Walker WP6500TTR Saorview PVR box, we're going to just talk a little bit about the PVR features, okay? The Walker WP6500TTR is the first box in Ireland that is an actual Saorview Plus box, okay? So if you think of it from the point of view of, we'll say, a Sky Plus box or a FreeSat Plus box, the thing to note is it has a built-in hard drive, okay? So that's very advantageous from the point of view of recording. And also this box has a twin tuner, which means you can record one, watch another, or you can actually record two at the same time, okay? So we'll just talk a little bit about the recording features. So obviously if you're just watching something, you can just press record and off it goes. Okay, so if you want to record something else, go onto that channel, hit the record button, and that's it. Simple as. So you can see there now I'm recording two channels at the same time, so that's very handy. Okay, so just to kill the recordings, then all you have to do is simply press the stop button. So I want to stop recording ER. Just for argument's sake, I'll say no. Okay, so it gives you the option. So I'll do it again, stop recording ER, yes. Press stop again, stop recording Judge Judy. So, very simple. So the next thing to look at then would be the EPG recordings. So if you just press the EPG button on your remote control, you can go in here, and on Saorview and on this Saorview Plus box by Walker, you will have a 7-day EPG, okay, which is very handy for recording. So it's all well and good, to say, you can just hit the record button when you're watching something, but you don't always want to record what you're watching, but more likely you want to watch or you want to record something you're not watching, okay, if you're going out or it's on another channel or something like this. So with this box then, obviously you can just scroll through and pick the name of the channel and the name of the program that you want to record, okay? So that's a big advantage over other boxes where you have to actually go in and manually set timers, to say, let's say for argument's sake, we'll pick one now that everyone will know, would be, the news at 6, okay? So in other boxes you have to go in and, you set a time, I want to record between 6 and 7 p.m. and that's it. But on this box, I can just use the arrow keys to go to the box that or the channel that I want and the program that I want, and just hit the record button. And you can see it just goes red there now. Okay. So if you did set something and you said it wrong, you can just arrow over to it again and hit the record button, and the recording is knocked off, so it won't be scheduled, but I want to leave it there as scheduled, okay? Now in the future, and I'm talking in January 2013, and it's actually the very near future, RTE have said basically that from February 2013, Series Link is going to be turned on. Okay, so this will enable the full range of PVR features on this box, okay? So for instance, just say I was in work every day and I was going to be late home. I never go home till after 7 every day, but I wanted to catch up on the news. I can just, in the future, when you go onto 6.1 here and you record, we'll have to wait till it is turned on, but it should ask you something like, or you should have an option to say, record all episodes of this, or something like that. Or, for argument's sake, Home and Away, or Neighbours, or even the all-time favourite SpongeBob SquarePants. It'll just, yourself how Series Links work. Anyone that has a Sky Plus box or a FreeSat Plus box, things like this, they'll know how it works. But it's very advantageous that you don't have to go in and set recordings for every show every day. The box will have enough intelligence to know when it's on and you want to record it, and it will always do it for you. Well, obviously, as long as the box is turned on. So that's basically it. So that's it basically in a nutshell. Just a little bit about the PVR recording features on the Walker WP6500TTR Saorview Plus PVR box.